How to add friends in Duolingo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add friends in Duolingo, you just simply have to open your Duolingo application. And after opening the Duolingo application, you will get to see a bunch of options. First of all, you just simply have to tap into this bell icon into the bottom right corner. Just simply tap to the notifications or the bell icon, then you will get this option to add friends. Just simply tap to add friends option, then you can choose between these three options in order to add your friends into Duolingo. First one is to choose from your contacts. By tapping into first option, you can choose friends from your contacts and add them into Duolingo. Then the second one is search by name, and third one is share the follow link. Just simply tap into this share the follow link and it will give you a link in order to share your profile, and then by tapping into that link your friends can add you into Duolingo. Or if you want to add someone, the easiest method is to search their name. For example, I want to add my friend Johnny into my application, so I'll search the name Johnny, then I can get so many profiles with the name and the username. You just simply have to find out the correct account and username, then just simply tap into this button and the friend request will be sent. This way you can easily add friends on Duolingo. Thank you for watching this video.